This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the background of your slides in Google Slides. Here I have a slideshow from a previous video where I taught you how to add slide numbers to your slides, and let's suppose I want to change the background of the slide. This is how you do that. You highlight the slides that you want to change in this left-hand list of all of your slides, and I'm just going to focus on the first one. Then you select slide, then you select change background. Here you can change the color of the slide, or you can pick an image to use as your background. So if you're going to change the color, click the circle with the color inside of it, and then change your color. So if I want this to be orange, then I'll click orange, and now my background is orange. You can also click a gradient color where the colors fade in and out, or it has that metallic feel to it. And let's say I want this right here. I click that, and now I have something similar to what I had at the beginning. To demonstrate a different color, let me pick this red gradient. So maybe you like that one, or maybe you want more of a light red gradient. You can also choose an image, and when you do that, click choose image, and then you can upload a picture from your computer. You can get a picture from your webcam, a link, Google Photos, other photos on your Google Drive, or search Google Images. I'm going to put this image here from Pixabay, and this will be the picture that I use as my background. And notice that all I had to do was drag and drop that, and now it is my background. Now let's suppose I don't like that and I want to go back to the color or format of the slide's theme. What you do is, again, you highlight the slide that you want to change, you click slide, you click change background, and then you click reset to theme. And when you do that, it goes back to the background that was present in the original theme. Now let's suppose I want to change multiple slides at the same time. Maybe I don't want a white background, so I will highlight all of these slides and then follow those same tasks. Go to slide, click change background, and then select a different color or add an image. So let's say I want this to be gray. When I do that, now the background of my slides are gray. So this video shows you how to change the background of your slides in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful tips in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.